Welcome to the classroom point. Today we will discuss limits. Before going to the concept, in JE point of view, maybe videos are maybe lengthy it is, but we need that much time. Why? Because of we need to cover all the problems and models, each and every topic we need to cover. So that much time need compulsory it is. Okay. Now today we will discuss one more three topics in these limits only. One is limit extends to 0 e power x minus 1 by x is equal to 1 and limit extends to 0 a power x minus 1 by x is equal to ln of a. Another one, limit extends to 0 ln of 1 plus x by x is equal to 1. This is, we have three standard forms. Actually this is called, these are all standard forms. By using formulas also we can say like that. These are called formulas also. So see here, limit extends to 0 e power x minus 1 by x is equal to 1 it is. That means here remember one point, these both are must be same. These both are must be same. Then the value is 1 here. And here also these both are must be same. Then value is ln of a. Okay. And one more, limit extends to 0 ln of 1 plus x by x is equal to 1. Here this value and this value must be same here. Right? Now here some simple thing. These both are not same, it is not equal to 1 first point. And one more, 1 plus is need first point. 1 plus x by x. A power x minus 1 by x is equal to ln of a. Limit extends to 0 e power x minus 1 by x is equal to 1. We'll take the proof first point. After that, we'll take some examples depending on this concept. First of all, how to get is equal to 1. We'll take two models for solving this formula. How to do that? See here, first of all, by using L'Hopital rule, limit extends to 0, e power x derivative is e power x, 1 derivative is 0, x derivative is 1. Then what is the remaining value? Limit extends to 0, e power x is remaining. In the place of x, apply 0, e power 0, then it is equal to 1. Right? This is the one of the proof of this standard limit. And one more, this is by using L'Hopital rule we are solving this one. And one more conceptual, for solving same formula, what is the formula for e power x is equal to? E power x is equal to, what is the formula first point? Already series formula everyone they know, 1 plus x by 1 factorial x square by 2 factorial plus x cube by 3 factorial plus and so on. Right? So from this one I am doing like this, e power x is as it is, 1 send this side, minus 1 it is equal to the remaining values x by 1 factorial or factorial of 1 both are same. Remember that is the main point. X square by factorial of 2, x cube by factorial of 3 plus and so on. From all these, I will take the common x value, then remaining 1 plus x by 2 factorial, x square by 3 factorial and so on. Then here already we have e power x minus 1. X send this side. E power x minus 1 by x is equal to, then remaining is 1 plus x by 2 factorial, x square by 3 factorial and so on. This is we have. Then what to do? For this, what is the limit we have? Take limit both sides. Limit x tends to 0. Here also limit x tends to 0 of this total series. Then what we have here? Apply in the place of x 0. From here to this total is 0. Then the remaining value is only 1. So this is equal to 1 it is. This is one of the proof for the formula of limit x tends to 0, e power x minus 1 by x is equal to 1 it is. Right? And next one, we'll take some examples on this question. For this formula, I will take two examples. First example for this one. Limit x tends to 0, e power 4x minus 1 by tan x. This is the question. Limit x tends to 0, e power 4x minus 1 by tan x it is. Then how to solve this one? See, I'll do one thing here. Limit x tends to 0, e power 4x minus 1 by 4x into 4x. Multiply and dividing with 4x I am doing here, nothing. So, by tan x as it is, what they are given as it is, I am writing here. Now, by using this formula, these both are same, then result is 1. So that means this total value is 1. Remaining here, limit x tends to 0, 4 by tan x by x you should write. This x will go to the down, then tan x by x it is, then this is also equal to 1. So answer is 4 it is. Right? Okay, and one more example for that. Limit x tends to 0, e power sin 2x minus e power sin x whole divided by x. Then what is the value of this one? This is the calculation question it is. Now what to do here? Actually we need e power x minus 1 by x we need here, but e power sin 2x is here, e power sin x is here. So there is no way of solving that. So I will do one thing. From the numerator I will take one value, this one common. So limit x tends to 0, e power sin x take outside, remaining is e power sin 2x by e power sin x minus 1 it is whole divided by x as it is. Then what to do here? See, I'll do one thing. Limit x tends to 0, e power sin x into e power, bases are equal. So, e power sine 2x minus sin x I will write here. Minus 1 as it is. Okay. Now, here I will do one thing. E power, this is considered as totally x it is. So, multiply and dividing with x. That means this total value. Sine of 2x minus sin x into sine of 2x minus sin x. Okay. By x is as it is, no changes here. Now, what about this total value? It is 1. What is the remaining here? Limit x tends to 0. I think here it is not visible. See. So, for this one continuation, this is totally 1 it is. Limit x tends to 0 e power sin x into sin 2x by x minus sin x by x. Take one bracket for this one. Take integration inside. Here you should apply limit x tends to 0. In the place of x 0, you should apply sin 0. Sin 0 is 0. So it is e power 0. First point. What about this one? Limit x tends to 0. Sin x by x is equal to 1 it is. But here in the place of angle 2x is there. So answer is 2. Here this is 1. 2 minus 1, that is equal to 1 into 2 minus 1, that is equal to 1 it is. Right? Next one. Further we have 2 examples. Now, next one is a power x minus 1 by x is equal to ln of a it is. Then how to simplify? What is the proof of that? Then how to take calculation? First of all, by using L'Hopital rule, for solving that, limit x tends to 0, a power x derivative is a power x into ln of a minus constant derivative 0 by 1 it is. Right? Now, this is constant, keep outside. Ln of a remaining, limit x tends to 0, a power x is remaining. In the place of x, apply 0. Then result is ln of a only. Here we are getting 1. Anything power 0, result is 1 only. So this is one of the way of solving. Right? Next one. I'll take one example for this one. 1 or 2 examples we have. I'll take that examples. First example for that. Limit x tends to 0. See? Next example. Limit x tends to 0. 4 power x minus 3 power x by x it is. This is the question. Then how to solve that one? How to solve? By using this calculation. In the place of a we have 4. Here in the place of a we have 3. Then this total simplification convert into this one. How to convert that? See, I'll do one thing. Limit x tends to 0, 4 power x minus 1 minus 3 power x plus 1 whole divided by x. What I am done? Just adding and subtracting with 1. Just that much only. Then what is going on here? Limit x tends to 0, 4 power x minus 1 from these two take minus outside, 3 power x minus 1, then we will take denominator, split the denominator value by x it is. Now compare this one and this one. Then what is going on here? This is ln of 4 minus this is ln of 3 over it is. So this is also can be written by ln means log m minus log n. Log m minus log n formula, log m by n it is. So this is also can be written by ln of 4 by 3. 4 by 3. This is one of the example for limit extends to 0. A power x minus 1 by x is equal to ln of a. One more example for same concept only. Question is limit x tends to 0. Right. See, next question. Limit x tends to 0, 27 power x minus 9 power x minus 3 power x plus 1 by 1 minus cos x. This is we have. Here I am doing one thing. Factors of 27, 3 and 9. So limit x tends to 0, 3 power x into 9 power x. This is for this one. Minus 9 power x is as it is. 3 power x as it is. Plus 1 as it is. And one more here. Already we know the formula of limit x tends to 0. 1 minus cos x by x square is equal to 1 by 2. Now I'll take this one. 1 minus cos x already we have, by x square we don't have, so multiply and dividing with x square. Now this is totally 1 by 2 it is. Here what we'll do? From these two, take 9 power x common, right? Then what we get? Limit x tends to 0, 9 power x take outside, 3 power x minus 1. Next, from these two I am taking minus 1 outside, 3 power x minus 1 whole divided by, this is 1 by 2 it is, and this is x square as it is. No changes. Now what we will do here? From these both, we will take 3 power x minus 1 outside, limit x tends to 0, 3 power x minus 1 into 9 power x minus 1. Okay, by x square we have into 2. I'll write 2 here. By x square can be written by x and by x here. So now this is written by ln of 3 into, this is can be written by ln of 9 into 2 it is. So now finally ln of 3 into ln of 2, this is 4 ln of 3 whole square. Why? Because this is 3 square. 3 square means 2 we get here. 2 2s are 4 it is. ln 3 into ln 3 whole square it is. Right? So this is one of the best example for limit x tends to 0, a power x minus 1 by x it is. And next one is, next limit x tends to 0, ln of 1 plus x by x. First of all, so many members, what is the meaning of ln of x? What is the difference of log of x? Log of x to the base e is equal to ln of x. Somebody they know, but somebody they have small doubts. Ln and log of x, what is the difference? Base e we have, then it is called ln of x it is. It is called ln of x. Remember, that is the main point here. Now, so by using this formula, we will solve some more problems. And one more, sir, how to get 1? So simple thing, by using L'Hopital rule, log of x derivative is 1 by x. That means 1 by 1 plus x whole divided by x derivative is 1. Limit x tends to 0. In the place of x apply 0. Result is 1. By using L'Hopital rule, right? Now, we'll take two examples for that. Okay. First example, limit extends to 0. Limit extends to 0. ln of 2 minus cos x by sin square x. This is one of the best example for this expansion. Limit extends to 0. ln of 2 minus cos x by sin square x. Sir, by comparing these both are not same. Then how this is the example of this one? See here, I will do one thing. Limit extends to 0. ln of 2 can be written by 1 plus 1 minus cos x as it is by sin square written by 1 minus cos square x. Now, limit extends to 0. ln of this is one of the part. Remember, 1 plus 1 minus cos x by a square minus b square formula it is a minus b into a plus b, I shall write here 1 plus cos x. Now see, x. In the place of x, we have 1 minus cos x. This is also 1 minus cos x. So this is totally considered as 1. Remaining limit extends to 0. 1 by 1 plus cos x it is. Now what to do here? Simple thing. In the place of x, apply 0. It is cos 0. Cos 0 is 1. 1 plus 1, 1 by 2 it is. Okay. This is one of the example, and one more example we'll take. Second example. Limit extends to 0. Sin of 6x square whole divided by ln of cos of 2x square minus x. This is the question for that. See here, limit extends to 0, sin of 6x square by ln of cos 2x square minus x. Then how to simplify that? Now, I'll do one thing here. This is ln but 1 plus x formation we need, but here cos x some value we have, so we'll do one thing. It is considered as cos a. It is cos a formulas totally 4 we have. One is cos square a minus sin square a, but it is not 2a, it is multiple angle is cos 2a formula cos square a minus sin square a, submultiple angle cos a formula cos square a by 2 minus sin square a by 2. I think it is not fit for this one by using this formula. And one more, 1 minus 2 sin square a by 2, maybe it is chances is there, and 2 cos square a by 2 minus 1, another one is. So I will take second formula. In the place of cos a, sin limit extends to 0, sin of 6x square is as it is, no changes. Right now, ln of cos a written by 1 minus 2 sin square a by 2. A by 2 means 2x square minus x by 2. ln of can be written by cos A can be written by 1 minus 2 sine square A by 2. Is it clear? Now what to do here? By comparing this one, what is x here? Minus of this total is x. Now in the place of denominator also same value we need. So what to do? Multiply and dividing with minus 2 sine square. Don't forget minus also need here. Why? Because the formula is 1 plus it is, but they given we get 1 minus, so better this minus also take here. 2 sine square 2x square minus x by 2 it is. So this total value is 1. Sir, how we get? Multiply and dividing. Then here we get, that means I think it is 1 by minus 2 sine square 2x square minus x by 2 it is. So this is totally 1 we have. Then the remaining value, limit x tends to 0, sine 6x square as it is. Denominator value I can write here minus 2 into sine square 2x square minus x by 2 it is. Right? Up to this one is limit x tends to 0 we get. Then what next here? We'll do one thing. By using limit x tends to 0, sin x by x is equal to 1. So in the place of x we have 6x square. So in that what we will do, limit x tends to 0, sin 6x square by 6x square into 6x square by denominator value is as it is, no changes. Minus 2 sine square of 2x square minus x by 2 it is. So this is 1. Here this 2 multiply with this, dividing with this one, then minus 3 it is. So minus 3 keep outside, limit x tends to 0. Then what we do here? Sine square of something we have. Then what to do? X square. Okay, we'll do one thing. In the place of x, apply 0. What we get? 0. This is 0. 0 by 0 form. 0 by 0 form means it is a indeterminate form. Then what to do here? Minus 3 keep outside. Then sine of that value, this value also by solving like this, multiply and dividing with the sine of theta value, but it is sine square we have. So I'll take here little bit lengthy problem it is. So this is 1 here, remaining limit x tends to 0, minus 3 is outside, x square by, it is sine square 2x square minus x by 2 whole divided by 2x square minus x by 2 whole square need. Why? Because sine x by x is equal to 1. Suppose square is here, then you should take square also. Then what we get? Automatically whole square we get here. Then the result is 1. So like that, you should write, you have the square here, then you should write square also for this one. Then multiply and dividing. So dividing this one, then multiply with this, 2x square minus x by 2 whole square. Right? Now this total is 1. Then what is the remaining value? Limit x tends to 0, minus 3x square. This 2 square can be go to the numerator, then it is 4 a minus b whole square 4x square plus b square x square minus 2ab, that means 4 minus 4x cube. Now x square take outside and cancel them, then the remaining is x tends to 0 minus 12 it is by, here it is, I think it is 4x power 4 it is. Then 4x square is remaining minus 4x is remaining plus 1 it is. In the place of x apply 0. This one and this one will be 0. Remaining is minus 12 is the answer. Okay. Next. This is for all three formulas examples and one more, so many we have. By solving that, I'll take one more example. See here, the question is limit x tends to 0 cos of sin x minus cos x by x power 4. How to solve this one? See one thing here, cos A minus cos B. It is like cos C minus cos D formula. Cos C minus cos D is equal to what we have. Are you remember? Cos C minus cos D is equal to minus 2 sine C plus D by 2 sine C minus D by 2 it is. Cos C minus cos D is equal to minus 2 sine C plus D by 2 into sine C minus D by 2. Suppose we get here plus, both are cos only. Here minus, both are sine it is. That is only one of the point it is. Now what we will do here? Here we will do one thing. This is C, this is D. Now limit x tends to 0 minus 2 sine C plus D by 2. That means sin x plus x by 2 into sine of sin x minus x by 2. Okay, whole divided by x power 4. This is we have. I'll do one thing. Sin x by x we have, then it is 1. Limit x tends to 0, sin x by x is 1 always. So we'll do one thing. Here, sin x plus x by 2. Here we need sin x minus x by 2 multiplying and dividing with the same value. So a plus b into a minus b sin square x minus x square by 4 into x power 4. Shall I write like this? What I am done here? Cos C minus cos D formula. Then after that sin x by x formation I want. That's why multiply and dividing with same value. What we have the angle in this, I am taking that. Now this is totally 1 and this is totally 1 it is. Now what is the remaining we have? It is minus 2 as it is. What about this one? Here it is limit x tends to 0 sin square x minus x square by 4x power 4 we have. This is the remaining value we have. Right? Then what next? Here apply in the place of x is equal to 0. What we get? Sin 0 it is 0, x square and 0 square that is also 0, 0 minus 0 it is 0, 0 by 0 form. Then we get a indeterminate form. Then what we'll do? Here we'll do one thing. 2 will cancel here 2 times. minus will be multiplied with this, limit x tends to 0, x square minus sine square x by x power 4. Is it okay? What I have done here? Minus multiply with minus only here, then we'll get this one, right? Then what to do now? What to do means here for taking in the place of x 0, then also we not get. Okay, we'll do one thing. Sine square x it is. So sine x series we have the formula. Sine x is equal to what? Sine x is equal to x minus x cube by 3 factorial plus and so on we have. Here we will take x minus x cube by 3 factorial only. Remaining all are negligible. Then sin x is equal to x minus x cube by 3 factorial. This value I will write here. Then what is going on we'll check. X tends to 0, it is x square minus sin x in the place of that x minus x cube by 3 factorial whole square by x power 4 it is. Okay. Now a minus b whole square it is. Then what we get, limit x tends to 0, x square as it is minus a square, that means x square, b square, that means x power 6, 3 factorial means 6 square means 36 it is. Okay, a square plus b square minus 2ab, a into b it is. That means x power 4 into 6 it is. Everything okay? Now whole divided by x power 4 as it is. When we go to when the minus will be going to inside, these both are cancelled. Then what we have the remaining? Here the remaining value is limit x tends to 0, minus take inside, minus x power 6 by 36 plus these two here will cancel, x power 4 by 3 it is by x power 4. So we'll do one thing, x power 4 take outside from both, then we have x power 4 and x power 4 will cancel, then limit x tends to 0, minus x square by 36 plus 1 by 3 it is. Okay, now in the place of x apply 0, the answer will be 1 by 3 only, right? Okay, thank you.